How can I be funny?
Just be funny.
Not
Just
funny.
talk. Show food that's down there. And
Oh. So, this is, I'm not quite sure what it is, but I don't know why it calls it self juice. Yeah, you happy?
no, that's not.
You
That's,
must be happy.
That's not funny.
I know it's not funny, hence the not laughing. I want to play Temple Run.
Play it on your phone.
I got no Temple Run on my phone. No fucking apps on my phone.
Well, download some apps on your phone.
I'm sorry, baby, I love you. That's my monster sticker.
You just heard it.
What?
You just hurt your monster sticker.
I'm sorry.
It's only 1:42 a.m.
What?
It's only 1:42 a.m.
What?
It is only 1:42.
People are sleeping.
Go make cookies, you peasant.
The cookies are done.
I'm joking.
I'm making potato sauce.
Water again! It just went down my butt.
Ellie, stop.
Hi!
It's gone. I wiped it off.
Hello.
It's gone.
Hello?
I could use yellow, green, and pink all in the same sentence. Want to hear it?
Sure.
The pink phone went green, green, and I answered it and said yellow. I
Why
got
are you
that.
staring at the fridge?
He looked at you.
Got it! Da.
Tomato.
I don't care. I hate tomatoes. I'm not gonna do anything to it.
I'm using it.
John, just throw it at her.
No.
Come on, bro. See, you're just like her. You're like,
No, I have
where you
you.
going with it? Oh, I don't know. I'm recording the floor.
No, dude, I'm recording you, so. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
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 You like my fancy hair?
No.
Okay. Oh! I hate this thing.
Oh, you wanted a tomato.
John, remember when I used to think the small tomatoes were birds? I used to go, oh, look, I have a birdie. And then when they would pop and they would like start like gushing out the sweet stuff,
Killed it.
Oh, you.
I was like, I killed the birdie.
It's more like Angry Birds.
Let's see it, let's see it.
That's a good movie. Birds.
Give me see it. Let's play catch with the tomato. I'm paying attention to the camera, come on.
She killed the Angry Bird. That's impossible.
Get it, I'm looking at it.
Ew, it's squishy.
Oh, sleeping.
What are you squishy? Ew, what are you doing to me? I don't like tomatoes.
Because you're there.
John, we popped it.
And it popped again.
Catch.
Did you see my face?
No more tossing.
I don't think you want this tomato.
Go throw it away. Go throw it away.
Hi, John.